Alright, excuse the volume. Not sure, it looks like it's working. I got a new, instead of using the microphone on top of the camera, so I don't have to worry about it. I just wanted to check this area. We've got a walnut tree here. Some hardwoods. There's an area out back, a little ways away. When I was here scouting last time, it had lots of birds, titmouse. There was a Carolina chickadee, I believe it is. There's supposed to be white-breasted nuthatches back here. Not seeing anything over here. I believe that's the walnut tree right there. Actually, that kind of looks like a chestnut. Could be wrong. Could be a chestnut tree. I've always seen a black walnut the last time I was here. And the reason I came in here was, I'll bring you over here. Chair. There's a rub line from deer. Probably from this past rut, which was a couple months ago. That's a pretty big tree to be rubbing on. I usually pick smaller ones, but that one's pretty torn up, pretty good. And that line goes there's a line of rubs right on that way. And I believe he parks his butt out there in that field. There's a point where he can see out in the field, and the wind be at his back. It'd be a good spot. And then he comes through here, rubs. I don't see any scrapes, but all right. Doesn't look like there's anything in here. I don't hear no chirping. It's a little early. I did see some birds coming in, so we will head back to the power lines and I guess set up. There's a little tree with some berries. I'll have to decide which I want to set up at. I've seen them in 2 different spots, but last time I was here there was hundreds of them. All right, let's head on over there. Let's see, this is a wildlife management area. So they stock it with pheasant. Must be around Thanksgiving because there's pheasant feathers all over the place from people hunting. Shotgun shells all over the place, like so. Alright, I'm going to turn you off and hike on over there. About a quarter mile. I'll see you when I get there. had to change tactics. Nothing was showing up where I was sitting. I can hear them all around me. Little birds, they hide way down in this deep grass here. I got lucky over there. A couple popped up, sat up high. Got a little bit of video, a few pictures. Hopefully, a couple are sharp. I'm just making my way back to the Jeep. And if we get something on the way back, it'd be nice, but slim pickings. Little birds are fast, so lucky I got what I got. I was hoping for a few different kinds, but it is what it is. Here's a little one. Let's see if I can get him. Alright, I'm going to head that way, walk slow, see what I get.